Ever wonder how to share that perfect quote from an article or that hilarious moment in a YouTube video without sending the whole darn thing? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you want to stay up to date with the latest security updates and all things tech, head over to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter. Sharing content has never been easier. To get started, first check if your Google Chrome browser is up to date. To do this, open Google Chrome, click on the three little dots in the upper right-hand corner, then select Help. Then About Google Chrome. Here the browser is going to check for updates. If an update is available, it's going to download and you'll need to relaunch the app. Now you're all equipped with the software to easily share a specific part of an article instead of sending the whole darn thing. To share a specific part of a web page, simply highlight the text, right-click and select Copy Link to Highlight. Voila! Your friends are now a click away from that exact section. All you have to do is email that copied text in order to share the specific part of the web page. The same concept applies to YouTube videos. Just pause the video at the part you want to share, right-click, and select Copy Video URL at current time. Your friends are now going to be directed to that exact moment in the video. On the move with Spotify? No problem. You can share that epic guitar solo or killer high note by tapping on the ... icon and then scroll down to Share. Now you can copy the link to share with friends and family. Sharing content with Instagram is very easy. Simply tap the paper airplane icon under a post to send it directly to your friends, your story, or copy the link to share elsewhere. Lastly, if you want to share one of our CyberGuy articles, head to cyberguy.com, scroll down and tap the mail icon to send the article to a friend or colleague. If you want to share our newsletter, simply click on the Forward Email to Friend option by scrolling down to the bottom of the newsletter. For more tips on all your tech devices plus security alerts, visit cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.